Lumine Organics Berberine is marketed as a natural wellness supplement that supposedly improves metabolism and promotes overall wellness. But the real question is, does it actually improve your health, or is it another overhyped supplement? Now, to be fair, berberine is one of the more researched natural supplement ingredients. Some studies suggest it may help support blood sugar regulation, cholesterol levels, and metabolic health in certain people. What it does well, berberine has legitimate scientific interest. Unlike many trendy supplements, berberine has been studied for potential effects on glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity. May support blood sugar management slightly. Some research suggests berberine could help modestly improve blood sugar markers in certain individuals. Where it falls short, it is not a miracle health fix. This is the biggest issue. Berberine may provide modest support, but it is nowhere near the dramatic transformation often implied by marketing. The exact brand itself is rarely clinically tested. Even if berberine has research behind it, that does not prove Lumine Organics' specific formula performs better than competitors. Results are usually mild and gradual. Most supplement effects happen slowly and vary heavily between users. So, does Lumine Organics Berberine actually improve health? Short answer, possibly in small ways, but not nearly as dramatically as advertised. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.